Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you to the starry night of celebrations to honor the success of outstanding performers. Webpal Solution Private Limited presents Global Excellence Awards 2018.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I request you to standing ovation for Raveena Tandon?
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैं आज आप लोगों के बीच में हूँ। आप प्लीज़ जो हमारे विनर्स हैं उनके लिए खूब तालियां बजाइए, क्योंकि अपनी मेहनत और लगन से वो यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं और अवार्ड के हकदार हैं। Very very big congratulations.
Best online portal of the year, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Miss Sana Bakai, Director of Study Khazana, Edu Galaxy Private Limited. Study Khazana.
Global Excellence Awards, one of the biggest platforms. You've been acknowledged, you've been felicitated. What does this award have importance? What kind of importance does it have in your life?
This is really a very remarkable and important for me, because with this award it actually encourages us to grow more and to work more, work harder in life.
Now when Pulse, complete team everybody make some noise! The Global Excellence Awards, ladies and gentlemen, co-presented by within us, brought to you by Webpulse and a voucher for everybody.
It's a great event. Hoping forward to seeing you in the next Global Excellence Awards, which is the 2019.
Everybody, are you ready for Dubai next year?